Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Mustache Monday. I recently came across Dr. Oz's YouTube clip titled Women's Secrets for Looking Half Their Age. The women on his show looked amazing for their age and they were sharing their anti-aging secrets. One of them was to dunk your face in ice cold water. I will tell you more about it as I try it myself. Prepare a bowl big enough to fit your face and fill with ice and water. I'm going to do this for 10 seconds 5 times. Have the towel ready. Okay, here we go. Take a deep breath and go. The benefits of ice water on the face are reduce puffiness and inflammation. I've used ice for puffy eyes, but this will remove puffiness from the entire face. So cold. I don't know why I'm doing this, but oh, it's cold. Okay, second one. Here we go. I read this is also good for calming the acne inflammation. Oh God, it's cold. Okay, third one. Here we go. Ice water helps to tighten your skin and reduce wrinkles. I've read both it will tighten pores and no, it will not tighten pores. I am hoping it improves my pores by doing this. My face is so cold, it's numb. It's a good idea to have Kleenex too, because you may have runny nose. Okay. Alright, fourth one, let's go. Ice water improves circulation. Your blood vessels constrict while your face is under the ice water. After your face is out of the water, your face will actually feel warm from circulation. Okay, the final round. I've also read the ice facial is not for all skin types. If you have any skin condition, please consult your doctor if the ice facial is for you, or try it and decide for yourself. It's so cold. I think I was counting faster and faster. Oh, because it's so cold. Oh, my face is like frozen, but it feels good actually. The lady who shared this secret mentioned it was a Hollywood secret. So I looked it up, and it was a daily beauty routine by Joan Crawford, an actress from the 1930s. She would cleanse her face and splash ice water 25 times on her face. I also tried splashing the ice water 25 times. My face could take it, but my hands couldn't. It was just too cold on my hands. I preferred to dunk my face in this bowl with ice water to save my hands. And as the lady on the show said, it will wake you up. You don't need coffee. What I like about this is that it's so easy to do and it doesn't cost anything. Just ice and water. That's it. And my face felt very refreshed for sure. I'll include the link to Dr. Oz's video clip in the description below so you can check out other beauty secrets. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.